Hello guys, so this video is all about multibagger stock for next 10 years. Many prospective multibaggers are there in front of your eyes and they don't necessarily have the appearance of multibaggers. Due to the length of the time it takes for these companies exhibit value. A multibagger investor's greatest asset is patience. One of the most significant methods to find such stock is to look at the potential profit growth. Stocks might be boosted by companies having significant competitive advantage in an expanding market. Here are some best penny stocks to buy today in India for long term. First, SAIL. SAIL stands for Steel Authority of India. SAIL has proved itself to be a three-bagger stock in the recent times, completely outperforming the competitors, making it favorite pick of the bulls like Rakesh Jhunjhunwala. Second stock is Balrampur Chini. Balrampur Chini Mills is one of the India's leading sugar producing companies, having a strong position in downstream goods such as electricity, cogeneration and ethanol. With a consequent profit of rupees 64.1 crore, this stock actually sweetens portfolios and still holds a lot of potential for the future. Third, Dwarikesh Sugar Industries Limited. Dwarikesh Sugar Industries Limited is another company with manufacturing and selling sugar, cogeneration, power, and industrial alcohol as main activities. The stock gained attention when it increased multifolds with a major expectation of a larger price increase. Next, SH Kelkar and Company. This chemical manufacturing company is the largest Indian origin fragrance and flavor company. Every 15% improvement usage might result in a 100% increase in income. Next, Hiranba. In India, Hiranba produces synthetic pyrethrins and their intermediates. It has a large business network in India as well as the rest of the world, and it continues to develop at a spectacular rate year after year. Next is Oriental Aromatics, one of the top fully integrated flavor, fragrance and aroma chemical manufacturer in the world. Profit and reserves have increased significantly as a result of the efforts adopted over the period of 5 years. Oriental Aromatic has increased its top line at a 16% CAGR and its bottom line at an even more astounding 31% CAGR. Next, Dhanuka Agritech. Dhanuka Group's agrochemical fertilizers and seeds are managed by this company. With its eco-friendly, high-quality crop care products, the firm reaches out to more than 10 million farmers. With the advancement of eco-friendly and new technology in agriculture, this company holds a lot of potential for the investors. Next, Granules India Limited. Granules India Limited is a pharmaceutical company based in India. Granules produce various off-patent pharmaceuticals on a big scale for clients in the regular and the rest of the world market, including paracetamol, ibuprofen, metformin, and many others. With increase in demand for pharmaceutical products in recent times, this company is expected to boom in the future. Next is Glenmark. Glenmark was formed with the goal of becoming global leader in integrated research-based pharmaceutical. Since the company began human studies of favipiravir, Glenmark Pharma stock has increased by 109%. Next is Infibeam Avenues. Infibeam Avenues has quadrupled investors' money, and a few brokerage believe there is still room for growth. Next is PSP Projects Limited. PSP Projects Limited is an Indian interdisciplinary construction firm that provides a wide variety of construction and related services for industrial, institution, government, and government residential projects. PSP Project Limited is one of India's most rapidly expanding construction firms. Large pharmaceutical companies continue to award them contracts to build production sites. So in this video, we learned how a multibagger company is different compared to an ordinary company. One disclaimer from 5 Circles Private Limited. We are not SEBI registered, and all our views are for education purpose only and are not any buy or sell recommendation.